How many times do you need to flip a coin to get 3 heads in a row? 1,000 times 50, maybe just 10. This is a classic brain teaser, and the answer is surprisingly simple, but the journey to get there is super interesting. Let's break it down. We're flipping a fair coin, waiting for that sweet HHH pattern to show up. To figure this out, we can think about our progress in states. State 0 is our starting point. We haven't seen any heads yet. If we flip a tail, we stay right here. Nothing's changed, but if we flip a head, boom, we move to state 1. We've got 1 head down. Now we're in state 1. We've got 1 H. If we flip another head, great. We advance to state 2. We've got HH. But if we flip a tail, oh no, the streak is broken. The tail is useless, so we're sent all the way back to the start, to state 0. Okay, imagine we made it to state 2. We have HH, we're so close. One more flip. If it's a head, we've done it. We've reached HHH and the game is over. But if it's a tail, our beautiful streak is ruined. And just like before, we have to go all the way back to state 0 and start over. So how does this help us find the number of flips? We can use a little bit of math. Let's call the average number of flips we need from the start, E. From the start, every flip has 2 possible outcomes, each with a 50% chance. So, E equals 1 flip, plus whatever happens next. Half the time, we get a tail and go back to the start, still needing E more flips. The other half, we get a head and move to our next state. Let's call the expected number of flips from the 1-head state E1 and from the 2-head state E2. Following this logic, we can set up a few simple equations. When you solve these equations, you find that E2 is 6 flips, E1 is 12 flips, and the big one, the average number of flips you need from the very beginning, is 14. So there you have it. On average, it will take 14 coin tosses to see 3 heads in a row. Sometimes it'll be faster, sometimes much slower, but over many attempts, the average will be 14. Pretty cool, right? If you enjoyed this little puzzle, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending questions. Thanks for watching.